doubting that the boosting of posts doesn't actually work, okay guys, just take a look at this. This is the update. I've gotten 30 more subscribers, and this should be more than 30 because it's 40 and 55 hours. I made a new video. We are going to boost this video together. Is same video that the trending video, the face masks. So this is how I boost my post. First of all, I publish it. After you copy the link, you publish your post first on your page. So this is, I'll just type easy DIY face masks. Okay, then you drop the link, you paste the link on there, and next, so it will ask you, do you want to publish now? So I want to publish it now, and the post is being published on my page. And so it will ask you boost post. So if you want to boost post, depending on your budget, you just leave this part as it is. Don't touch any of it. If yours is saying get more website visitors, leave it that way. Then I always choose my target. I don't want people from the page itself, because I don't have much people on my page. So, and I want it to go to get views from all over the world. So I click on this, people you choose through targeting. So I click on it. Then depending on your post, so age 18 can view it, to age 65 can view my post. Okay, so I leave it that way. And all gender, I click on all gender, then select. Now this is the basic part. You have to do a lot of work. So what I do, think of countries that have more cases. So okay, so you select the actual countries that you know will need this video that you are trying to boost. Okay, like in my case is all about the pandemic, and I selected most countries that have more cases of the pandemic. So and this is it. And one good thing about it is that you will be told if this the countries you've selected, or the locations you've selected, will actually gain more engagement. So let me just keep putting more countries in it that I think will need this video and view it. So let me just of that, let's say save. So this is it. You could see in this area it showed that the potential people that will view that this my post will get to is about 860 million people that my post will get to. And in this 860 million people, definitely you should have people that will actually click on your post and watch it. Let's say save. So then and look at this area. This is the interest. So the people's interest is quite important too. So I selected the DIY, I selected craft, sewing, because my post is all about that. Now it depends on how much you want to boost the post for. So depending on your budget, so let's boost. If you want to boost this your post for £10, so it will get to, in a day it will get to 587 to 1,700 people. So in a day you should have nothing less than 1,000 views on this post. So this is it. If you keep increasing your budget, this is how it works. So depending on how much you want to spend, if it is, let's say, £5, it starts from £5 downward, upwards. So if it is for £5, then this is it. You get less than 1,000 views in a day, which is also not bad depending on your budget. Okay, so let's leave this post for £5, and it means it will spend £1 a day and for 5 days. So boost post. Okay, so my post is now under review. So mainly they will put, we are reviewing your ID to make sure blah 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 within 24 hours, but it doesn't take up to 24 hours. It's within an hour, 2 hours. If your post doesn't have an issue, then post will be approved and you will start gaining people engaging in your post. So for now my post is still under review. This is just the basic trick I use to boost my post, and make sure you read the policy properly before you do your boosting, because if you don't read the policy and you make a post, then Facebook may not approve it as it violates the policy. Facebook may not approve it, or if you keep repeating it, you'll be disabled. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope these little tips of mine will really help your channel to grow, and also make you get more views. I am getting subscribers. And also please, if you have any questions for me, drop it in the comment section. I will definitely respond to your questions. And also, if you need more details about it, you can also drop the question for me, and I will definitely help you out with it. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time seeing my video or seeing this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.